The first flight from Ilyushin Il-112V, a light transport aircraft, which has been long awaited, was successfully carried out. The aircraft will replace the Antonov An-26 and An-24 aircraft, which are aging in the Russian military. The modern aircraft took off from the pilot runway in Voronezh, overshadowed by the Il-114 flying laboratory, said the maker of the company, Ilyushin, in a statement quoted from RT on Sunday, March 31, 2019. The 24-meter-long plane spends about 45 minutes in the air, flying at speeds of around 250 km per hour, and circling in that area several times before landing. The first flight was filmed by many aircraft observers on land. Russian defense officials praised the inaugural flight as a major milestone for the country's aviation industry. Il-112V was the first military transportation designed in Russia from scratch after the fall of the Soviet Union to disrupt the cooperation of various defense laboratories and factories spread across former members. This aircraft uses only domestically produced parts, can carry up to 5 tons of cargo. The Il-112V is said to be far more efficient than the Soviet-designed Antonov transport aircraft, which will be retired. The project began in the mid-1990s, but experienced a long pause before finally the aircraft model was chosen as the next light transportation by the Defense Ministry in 2003. Another problem occurred in 2010, when the ministry delayed funding and chose another variant, the An-140. But the competitor failed to meet expectations, so the Il-112V received a second life in 2013. This model is powered by a pair of turboprop TV7117S T3100 horsepower, which was upgraded from Klimov. The aircraft can fly up to 1,200 kilometers with a full load, or 3,500 kilometers with 3.5 tons of cargo on board. Requires 2 crew members, and can land on the runway at 1,200 meters. Russian defense officials estimate that up to 100 Il-112Vs can be produced for years to meet military demands. Ilyushin said it has the capacity to build as many as 12 units per year.